Welcome back, friends. So in this one, let's fix up our code. Let's run this. So control F5, let it get built and load into memory. Right now, input values into this box. Whatever they are, the code is stable because at least it knows how to extract just the numbers, and then you can do all the basic operations. But the issue is, you see, it doesn't automatically scroll for you. So you've got some output, but there are no scroll bars, so you can scroll through the output. And the output, the latest one, is always in the bottom. So shut this down. I just do this instead. Go into the toolbox and type flow layout panel. So grab a flow layout panel and grab it and then drop it into the form. On the left side, you want to again make sure that you access the document outline. If you don't see that, you go to view and then other windows and then find document outline, Control Alt T. So you click on document outline under other windows and it brings up this panel here on the left side. And then you just want to make the label placed inside the panel. You can grab it and just kind of drop it in here and make sure that the label object becomes a child of the flow layout panel object, so it's indented relative to flow layout panel. Once you've done that, you see in the form here, you see that the label now is, if you look very carefully in the corner here, upper left-hand corner. Click this now and let's move it into position. Expand the size of the flow layout panel a little bit. Say like this. That's good enough for now. And again, notice because the label is a child, when you move the flow layout panel object, the label, it's there in the corner where that 4 direction arrow has appeared, or arrows. So with that in place, and okay, select this now, go to its properties of the flow layout panel object. By default, again, it's called flow layout panel 1. That's fine for our purposes. And just find the auto scroll property and change the value from false to true. But make that true. That will automatically make scroll bars appear. And that's it for this one, really. So let's do this now. Push this back to the right side. And then launch it. So Control F5. Let it come up. Give it a second here. And now let's see. Put some numbers in here. And then exponentiate. Do it a few times. Automatically you get scroll bars. So you can easily scroll through the output. That's the way it should be. Shut this down. Now, besides that, it would be nice to be able to clear the output from the label in case it's too much. So take this button here, Control C, Control V, make a copy, place it here, right click on it, go to its properties, okay, and then scroll up. So find the name property and change it so it says BTN clear output, and then scroll down and find the text property on this object. So click into that box, delete that, and let's make that say clear, specifically clear the output. If you like, you could say that, refine the text a little bit, make it a bit smaller so it fits better. That's good. And then double click on that button. And the only thing we really have to do is just clear the output. So we'll type LBL output, that text, and to clear it, just assign to it the following. That's it. You have a set of double quotes and not even a space between them. That will just clear out the text. Let's test it. So I'll start with the debugging controller 5. Let's check it out here. Okay, so junk input, some numbers. Add, multiply, divide, exponentiate. Good, do a few times. Good, everything is here. Good, and then clear, and then everything is gone. And that's it. Now notice automatically it also disables kind of like the ability to scroll through this. Clear that. And that's really it for this one. So please be sure to check out the other videos on this channel, including the other videos in this series. I'll see you in another one.